This is it?
This is it.
This is it. There's the top there. Oh no. No, it's just branches.
I'm sure I've been this before actually. Yeah.
Yes. The snakes. Oh, watch your head. Woo. Oh man, I love these trails. Whew. Yes. Stay on the line. You. Hit that a bit too hard. All right. Ah.
Oh. Oh.
Full commitment. That's not full commitment.
And then slide into there, slide into there. I think.
That looks exciting.
Yeah. Just a bit. The amount of people have just gone straight on.
Oh, straight on is easier, but I guess we need to do that. Oh, you madman! You had it, Ewan. I think you had it.
Try going on the end. Outside. I don't got that. Because you went inside.
Aye.
Go outside. Stop. Outside.
Whew.
Maybe.
I think I know where I'm going. Straight down.
Yeah.
You kind of know she's going to slide there, so it's like
You can just bounce.
it's fine.
You just bounce.
Looks well good.
Janky. Janky's the word.
Janky. Hey, it's slippery is the word, I think. Yeah, full commitment. Full commitment.
Yeah, it's very slippery. I committed to it harder to start with than I did going into it.
Like
Right.
you go over mud straight away.
Fucking trousers. Yeah.
It's a day for a dry day for me, I think.
Let's see.
What do you reckon?
I think
Like,
it's
or straight across, but it's very committed because of the compression. It's like up and then down, but there's no real support over there.
go for it. What? No, not like that.
That rock is slippy.
Yeah.
I can't believe you tried that. I thought you were taking the piss.
Fucking right.
I'm wanting one of their jackets.
Yep.
Don't give you balls.
Commitment, that was.
That's
Committed.
you have to ride straight on and then turn. I think you guys are turning too early. Well, here I go with my. Give it a try. Even if I have to test my knee pads. You know, it's just. I mean, yeah. Aye. Oh, kind of like that. Oh, I'm not clipped in. Ah, you guys turned too early.
Way too early.
That bit's alright spotted.
Because you want to do that,
Yeah.
but you can't.
Yeah.
That's pretty sweet.
That'd be good in the dry though. I would be alright.
Yeah.
I would just ride straight on doing that.
You would just ride straight on. Absolutely.
To this travel line.
Yeah. It doesn't get dry here very often though.
No.
Not very
So,
often. True.
See what else gets thrown at us on snakes and fucking
This is snake bite, this.
snake bite.
So the big one, probably more like. I think there's a steep bit at the bottom.
A steep bit at the bottom. Oh. Wow. Let me just give it a wipe. Bit of a wipe on that. Wow, that's thick.
Yeah.
That is thick, alright. Wow. That's sweet.
Thought it'd be steep, right? Because we've gone up quite, went up quite far.
Yeah.
Like that, so. Yeah.
That's pretty exciting, to be honest. Feels good.
We've got another one. All right. The rest of it carries on down there.
Oh, is the one?
Yeah.
Andrew's balls
Alright,
at this point. It was good. It was the same. I was like, is it going to go for it? Oh, fuck it, it's gone. Sometimes you just, yeah, man, you got to do it.
Oh, that was really around it. Down again?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's caught there. Oh shit. What's the branches?
We're definitely traversing across to find some feature, aren't we?
Oh yes. Good man. Sideways and shit. It's like clear,
like little clutch berms and stuff. Like
clearly coming too fast into it.
being like, oh.
That was good.
Good.